working on the drawers. Put a lot of effort in getting the boards done in the planer and jointer. Cut them to size. Now the next step is putting these box joints in. So I made the whole setup, and that's ready to go. Okay, I've finished the box joints of the sideboards, the drawers, and now I'm going to work on the bottoms. I'll use some thin plywood and then make a groove in the sides in which the bottom fits. Hopefully, yeah, that's it. So I can slide it in when I put everything together. So let's make those grooves. I will glue these three boards together. Then I would insert the bottom. Then I've sanded the inside of the box 3 times, 80, 120 and 220, because it's as soon as it's put together it's a little bit more difficult to get to it, so I'll do the outside at a later time. So I'm gonna glue things together now. Let's see if I can install first drawer. That one is in there. Now I have to subdivide them up into pieces that are between 16.5 and 15.5 inch deep. So I have 3 dividers done now, and I want to add an edge strip that sticks out above the divider, and so when you put something on there like this, it won't slide off when you're driving and the door opens or so. So I'm going to make these strips now out of walnut. little bit of gluing. Let's see if I haven't done that before. Next one. Okay, these edges are glued on now. They're flush on one side and I'll cut off the other. The edges are done and I fitted them in the van, so that's fine. So the next thing is I'll be putting some shellac on these edges, these walnut edges. Probably 2 coats, and then after that I'll probably put 1 or 2 coats of polyurethane on the whole thing, including the edges. So let's start with some shellac. Very nice to work with the shellac. It's easy to work on, it's not harsh, it smells good. Produces a beautiful color. Okay. Got several dividers in the upper parts of the pantry, and I'll attach them to the walls with these supports. So I have to cut them to length. Now that I've mostly finished the drawer part of the pantry, I'll start working on the top. First I have to put in a background that covers the window. So there will be insulation behind it between this and the window. So the next step is the dividers, and they need a support on both sides. So and then we have our first divider. I got 3 dividers here. The first divider is my main storage area for dry goods and my dog food and so on. I got these containers. That will fit in quite nicely. And I got a few somewhat smaller ones. And that looks perfect for me. And this is a look from the kitchen with the fridge and then the pantry. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.